Welcome to multi-net design in the continuation of our Terrace house that we were working on. In our last episode, we were able to bring these 10 activities into place, so which is like one way or the other. So sorry for a little bit of delay based on the schedule and in my time that not allow me to do a lot of video, but let's continue with this particular one for now. So in the last episode, I promised that we are going to start creating road networking. So we'll go to model it now, and let's just go ahead and do that. So when you look at it from 3D, you see that you only have one excessive style of building, something that we have done in like 2 episodes ago. So the arrangement of this. So we want to create node networking that will accommodate all this. So how do you do that? Select this one and say edit in place. So when you click on edit in place, you are going to use this one to cover the whole site entirely. So edit in place. So you can decide to use normal site of what you have on the annotate or something like that, but I just want to model everything on my phone. So you click on edit. So go to foundation. At your foundation now, you just want to just let it be something close to the complete site, so that it will not be bogus and it will not be, so be able to fight on what we want to do all together. So you do that. So what do we do now? So we click finish here. You stay in same proportion, so you click on this and say create. So now you click extrusion. So the extrusion you are going to do here, instead of this one to be extruded some 1, so you are going to raise it up, so something like starting from 50. As you have, so you can later still reduce it if you want. So maintain that 250, or you increase it to something like let's say 30, 300, so that by the time you are working on, you know what to do. So let us click on the road networking and finish it off. So what do? You're going to use just normal line. So I'm going to use line to do whatever I want to do, so make it faster and quicker. You select all the line one by one on the whole area that you know that the road work will cover. So this one does not have road, so this is just a setback control set. It's just a normal setback, so you don't need to create road at that position. So do it and you finish it here. So do this once way. So what else do you need to do? At least you have already created the road. So what do? Break all this one that have, sometimes most of these lead to as a exit for the whole estate. So you need to put such number of exits in place. So here we are not going to have one that just like giving it a little bit purpose. So click here and break it here. And it's almost needed anymore. So that's it. Now what you need to do is to click and adjust them based on what you have. Good. So the node network whole design and web package and arrange. So here you do the same thing. So here so you're going to have a lot of issue, but don't bother yourself about that, because Revit will always give you some crazy things. So what you just need to do is to be patient with it. It's going to give you information. It's like a program. It's whenever you have issue, it will tell you that okay, this is where your issue comes from. So you should pay attention to that as well. Enjoy. So the network is getting done. I think with this I have my road network in place. So click finish here. It's also an issue, so continue. No, don't quit. So what do you have here? I think here is the problem. So click finish now. So still have an issue again. Continue. So click here and say good. I think we can go. Yeah, the road is set for that. So you can now try to expand this one outside. So let's go to the 3D and see the road we have created. So this is the road network. So what we need now is to just edit the material and geometry, so whatever that is needed to work on. So instead of me using this one, I'm going to use edit and then duplicate material. So go to appearance if you have that issue, appearance issue. So pick from this modeling. So I select appearance, then go to site work. So from the site work, we look at the road, whatsoever. So bluestone, you use the curves, whatsoever that you know that okay is okay by you. What do you have? Interlock, gravel. It's your choice and everything. So you just like looking for the one that you know that okay is okay by what you are designing, the kind of people you are designing for. So I'm going to use what asphalt dark. So that's the normal road I want to use from there. So I'm increasing it, let's reducing it. Then images, I think the image is okay like this. So the roughness and everything, I will leave it like that. So click OK. So this will generate and bring the beauty to the position which I want to build. So I have this in place now. I have my network road, I have the road axis, things that connected this together. So you go back to your foundation where you are programming all those things. So you need to bring all the fencing to the position. So let's quickly do that by using just a little bit of clicking. So before we now later design the gates, before we now place all these things in the position where it's supposed to be. So the first thing I want to do is to quickly create fence. So click here and say wall. Just click on my rectangular episode. So click here and no, so you should do the kind of wall. I think I'm selecting wrong wall here. So I think I have normal wall that can do that for me. So let me just use my whole normal 200 wall. Yes, this is my normal wall. So I will do the editing because I don't want this to look awkward. So get to the structure. Let me see what I have as material. Okay, this one is okay. So I will just do the whole thing from here like this and paste it here. So that's in foundation. So look at it from this. Is it okay? Is it something against what you are designing? So it's okay. So what else I need to do is to break this so that I have a gate house at that end center. So click here. Whether a foundation and anywhere you want. So you go to foundation where you can be seeing your boundary. So what do? You select, just hide this particular thing here so that will give you the access to what you are doing. So click and then break it. So here you click here and just shift. So you have the entrance complete at this level. So when we want to design the gatehouse, we know what to do. So when we have this one in place now, edit it. So we need to have a general road that will connect all these things together. So that's what we want to create now. So you click here and say copy. So you use the same method, just copy it. It's the same road, but I just want it to have different feel because it's a different road entirely. So you don't use the same road track of the inside the estate with it. So edit, click this one and delete. While you redesign yours by bringing down a bit. This one is step up. I just need to do the what 40 here. So leave the same height with it. So at this junction, you just need to draw this by clicking here. So let this one stand the line. Then another one is to go here. Then you draw this to touch here. Then you move this one in position by mirror it. So after which you mirror this, you touch it in this position. So just fix and do the same thing here. Do not go too far. So all we're going to copy this one. So copy and paste that words at 10,000. You can delete any one of them, and then by drawing this, so you click here, put infinite signal to the root, then you now mirror it. Anyway, just mirror it and then bring it close to the position. What you need now is trim all. Trim everything, trim everything. Trim this and trim this. Finish it and see if it goes, that's fine. So change the material, you only let them use the same material as you have used with the former one. So you just say duplicate material, and then you go to material to go and select the kind of material you need for its site work. So asphalt dark is what I used before. I'm going to use normal aggregate high this time around, let it be darker. So click OK and OK. So when you go to 3D now, you see that you have a lot of things to be happy with. So this is the network that we have created for the estate. So in our next episode, we are going to now pick everything, lamplights, the planting and everything. So thanks for watching this. We are going to see you in the next design. God bless you.